Welcome to your ITR Insider. This will bring you to your personalized Insider dashboard, complete with an all-new interface. Notifications will appear here and show you the latest information from ITR Economics. You will also see a promotional code for our executive keynotes, providing you with a special discount offer that is exclusive for Insider members. As we scroll down, here you will find all the content provided within your Insider membership. First are the Business Series webinars. ITR Economics produces these monthly presentations that cover a wide range of topics. They are listed in order of newest to oldest, so you always have the latest webinar available to watch. The Business Series is released on the third Thursday of the month. Next, we'll see the latest economic articles. Here you can access all of the Insider's articles. The most recent articles are listed first, so you can always stay current. Moving on, we see our Executive Series virtual keynotes. Now, if you've previously purchased one of our Executive Keynote presentations, they will show up here on your dashboard. Any Executive Series webinar that you have not purchased will be indicated with a lock on the video thumbnail. Recordings of these webinars are available for purchase at any time, so don't worry if you missed a live event. We have also added quick access to our long-running Trends Talk video podcasts. These are available here so you can keep up with topical economic news from our expert economists. New episodes are released every week. The recent announcements section is where you can find updates on enhancements to the app, company announcements, and other information you need to keep up to date with ITR Economics. The ITR Academy is next. This section gives you access to all of the helpful content we have created for our clients that help them get the most out of their experience with ITR Economics. We have videos highlighting our terminology and methodology, leading indicators that we track, and so much more. The ITR Academy is constantly updated with new helpful tools to better manage your business. Finally, we have an additional resources section. This gives you several options for quick assistance, including connecting with your account executive or our customer care team. Here you will also find the links to the ITR app for Apple and Android users for a more optimized experience. All of these sections are also available on the left-hand toolbar for quick navigation. As always, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, we encourage you to reach out to our customer care team. We welcome all feedback or new ideas as we continue to improve our members' experience. We hope you enjoy the new and improved Insider.